acidic strength of alcohols. Now I told you primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols are there, right? So which is more acidic in nature? Okay. Now alcohols, when we see of primary alcohols, OH, only to one carbon and one more carbon it will be attached. Secondary, OH, carbon attached to two other carbons. Tertiary, OH attached to carbon attached to three other carbons. Correct. So alkyl groups attached. Where are the alkyl groups? This is the alkyl group. This is the alkyl group. These are the alkyl groups attached. These alkyl groups, they are electron donating groups. Electron donating groups. Alkyl groups, remember alkyl groups, they are electron donating groups. Now what they are doing? They will donate electrons. Where it will donate? To oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative. So it will try to pull the electrons also. Okay. So alkyl groups, they donate electrons to oxygen. Here two groups will be donating. Here three groups will be donating. Here only one group will be donating. Okay. Now if they donate electrons to oxygen, what happens? The oxygen, on the oxygen, electron density increases. Correct? Electron density, all are giving the electrons to oxygen, all the alkyl groups. So what will happen? The electron density on oxygen will increase. If the electron density on oxygen increases, what will happen to polarity? Polarity will decrease. Polarity will decrease. Right? If polarity decreases, acidity will decrease. Acidity will decrease. Correct? So, what is happening here? Where will be the electron density less now? In case of primary. Why? Because only one group is giving the electrons. Here two groups are giving the electrons. Here three groups are giving the electrons. So, as the number of alkyl groups increases, the electron donating groups are increasing. Correct? So, more the number of electrons on oxygen, the polarity decreases. Correct? Therefore, primary alcohols, they are more acidic than secondary alcohols, than tertiary alcohols. So, primary alcohols, they are most acidic in nature than secondary, than tertiary. Why? Because only one group is there. Correct? And they will donate the electrons to oxygen. Right? So, here the electron density in case of primary will be less than secondary and tertiary. So, if polarity decreases, acidity also decreases. In case of tertiary, three groups are there, alkyl groups. So, more electrons will be there on oxygen. So, polarity will be less here. Therefore, acidity will also decrease. Remember always, a polar bond is a weak bond. A polar bond is a weak bond. Correct? So, please make a note of this. This is the order of acidic strength. Primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary and tertiary. We will see one example for this. Okay, let's check this. Alcohols are less acidic than water. Okay, that we are checking here. Alcohols are less acidic than water. Okay, so we have taken here the example of alkoxide ion. Earlier I wrote it as RO minus alkoxide ion. Here I am giving the R example CH3. Okay, so CH3O. Now, alkoxide ion will be Bronsted bases, right? Because they can accept one hydrogen. Okay. It reacts with the water H2O. So this is water. If this is acting as a base, water will act as an acid. So what it is forming here, alkoxide will accept hydrogen. Now water has two parts, H plus and OH minus. So this is minus, this is positive, it will accept the hydrogen. It will form a conjugate acid because this is a base, so it will form conjugate acid, right? And that will be a weak acid. OH minus is left, which is the conjugate base, which is a weak base. Okay, you can also remember, so this equation proves that alcohols are less acidic than water. Water is more acidic than alcohol. Okay, comparison when we do. Okay, now one more thing. This you remember, that is stronger acids. If the acid is strong, it will always form a weak conjugate base. It will give a conjugate base which is weak. And how to identify which is the base or which is the conjugate acid? Negative ones will be the conjugate base. Negative will be the conjugate base. Correct? So that way you can remember, if the stronger is the acid, conjugate base will be weak and negative. You can see here, water, I have written, no, alcohols are less acidic than water. That means water is more acidic. So it is a strong acid. So what it is forming here, conjugate base, and it will be negative, but it is weak also. Opposite words you can write, that is stronger the base, the conjugate acid it will produce, which will be weak and positive. Positive means it will have no charge. We are not writing positive, neutral. Just make a note of it.